Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 29th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the daily time frame. So today is FOMC interest rate news, definitely a very big news event. Now, we can't really deny that the trend is still up on the US dollar. Now, first of all, I am live streaming for the news event today on YouTube, so definitely make sure you check that out. But anyways, we definitely can't deny that the trend is still up. I still think there's a pretty good chance this is going to go up and grab maybe even both of these highs, and it may even go all the way up to the 178, 161.8, especially on the weekly time frame. I think there's a better chance that the dollar is going to continue to be bullish, potentially even for the rest of the year. So we got our Fibonacci retracement on this move right here. We got a nice little 61% Fib bounce. I think there's a chance that the dollar could continue to be bullish, at least pushing back up into these higher levels. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely got a nice little Fibonacci bounce right here. Price is definitely reflecting the 61%. The breakup structure for me is right here. So I think if it breaks above here with momentum, then that pretty much proves that it is going back up in a bigger way. If it doesn't break above here, but ends up making a little bit of a lower high and turning down with momentum, then there is definitely a chance that the dollar does go down. Like I've been saying, there is a chance this is either an A or one, this is either a B or a two, and we're in either a wave three or a wave C. So as usual, we need to pay attention to structure. Structure is what tells us normally, whether our Elliott wave count is correct or not. Like I said, I'm definitely still very bullish, but if the market rejects structure and pushes down, then we definitely want to admit that we're likely either in a wave three to the downside or a wave C to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.